How to knit 1x1 rib stitch. Rib stitch is created by alternating knit and purl stitches in the same row, then repeating the pattern in the next row. This forms columns of knit and purl stitches. Rib stitch is often used for cuffs or brims as it creates a stretchy fabric. In this video, we'll show you how to work a 1x1 rib stitch, knit 1, purl 1. You'll start your row by working 1 knit stitch. Next, bring the yarn to the front and purl 1 stitch. Take the yarn to the back and knit 1 stitch. Continue alternating between knit and purl stitches until you reach the end of your row. Top tip: remember to move your working yarn to the back for each knit stitch and forwards for each purl stitch. In the next row, we'll repeat this pattern. Top tip: your pattern will state whether you start the following row with a knit or purl stitch. Follow the sequence of stitches. If the stitch below looks like a V, you will knit 1 stitch. And if the stitch below looks like a bar, you will purl 1 stitch. You have now created 1x1 rib stitch.